people, I no know say good Samaritan still exist too. He get this man, the man go airport side. Una know airport side now for Nigeria, all of una wey dey Nigeria. He go airport side, na there misplace passport to wallet. And inside the wallet, plenty valuable things. 5 ATM cards, 20,000. 20,000 dey inside that wallet. Where this boy, innocent boy, good Samaritan, come carry the wallet, look for number, call this man. Say, Oga, I found your wallet. And so the man come tell us, say, okay, where can I meet you? They come meet for that same airport area because now for that side, the boy shop dey. The boy will pick the wallet now for that airport area and shop dey. So the man come meet the boy, collect wallet. The only thing where this man tell this boy, thank you. Hey? Thank you. And he even come online. Yes, for internet, can't write. He can't write say, Nigeria still have millions of good people. Say, may they help and thank the boy. Una fit imagine this thing. Nigeria still have millions of good people. Oga, now because of people like you, those millions people don't longer exist. How person go help you pick wallet? The only thing when you remember now to tell and thank you. You even they tell us make we pray for her. Make we pray for her. Say what thing go happen. Thank you. Thank you, kill you there. No, this thing, it vex me. It vex me because, even come, see, if, assuming na Igbo boy, Igbo kwenu, una know na say, Igbo people, they don't joke with money, try am, even if na 1,000 naira dey that wallet, they go first, even if at all they won't help you, they go first remove that money, come tell you say na so they meet the wallet. Igbo people, they know they carry last. So that boy, maybe na Yoruba boy, I be na Hausa boy. I don't know, but I dey sure say no be Igbo man. Lie. No be Igbo man. My people now so this man can't see. Oh, good Samaritan. The boy self even look hungry. No, I beg, make we put the boy, put in picture. I beg, make we this. The boy even look hungry. Now he still carry that. This man no even fit bring out, even if na 5,000. So okay, make a thank you, take buy credit. If na me, I no talk anything. Before I go to say na Madam Aproko can give us advice. But make una see, just dey wise. Just dey wise. See the boy now. See the man self as he be. They tell person thank you. See head wey be like fufu where they wrap. With the glasses wey be like all those blind people they wear where they know they see road. I know. See, some people just they wicked anyhow. Their level of wickedness no get head. Seriously, just imagine this one. My people, see, I don't know advice what I will give you now. But the only thing wey me I go talk for this matter be say make una dey wise. And una wey person do good for. Learn how to compensate somebody. So that next time, imagine person like this. If they can't see another valuable thing will be your own, I pity you. You not go even see the wallet. You not go even see that wallet. You even lucky say this guy say even call you. Igbo people. I give you a twirly. Alright, my people, make I know what they think for this matter because this one a very, very hot one. I just a laugh since. Don't forget, make I know your comment, drop out for that section, and then subscribe, share this video, make everybody know what they happen for Aproko show. Yes, I will see you next time.